Hello everyone. So this is the third day of leap. I'm currently outside. This is the food area. Let me show you a round view about. I hope you have enjoyed. I give you the 360 view of the outside. This is just, let's say you want to relax, so you can get out of the main halls of leap, and you can get some food, some snacks, and get some relaxation over here if you are get tired. Yeah. The weather today, this is the third day of leap, but the weather today is really good. As you can see the clouds behind me,